Hi everyone! Today we are making rum raisin butter, a simple mixture of butter and rum raisins shaped into a log. Served with crackers, it's a nostalgic appetizer that was popular in 1970s and 80s in Japan. We only need 3 ingredients: butter, raisins, and dark rum. Let's get started. Add boiling water to raisins, stir a few times, and let them sit for a minute. And then strain. Remove excess moisture by using a paper towel and place the raisins in a bowl and add some dark rum. Cover with the plastic wrap and microwave for 30 seconds or until hot. Allow the mixture to soak until it has completely cooled. Drain the rum and pat dry the raisins with a paper towel. In a bowl, we have butter softened at room temperature. Add raisins and mix. You can use salted or unsalted butter for this. Take a sheet of parchment paper and place the butter like a log. Roll up the butter using the parchment paper, just like that, and then twist the both ends, similar to a candy wrapper, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. You can make this ahead of time and keep it in the freezer too. Cut 1/4-inch thick slices and serve with some crackers and cookies. Rum raisin butter can also be used on bread, toast, muffins, or as a topping for pancakes and waffles. We hope you try it this holiday season.
美味しいね。